Happy New Year and welcome to the channel. Today we're viewing this beautiful house. Look at that symmetrical edifice. I have never seen a more pretty house. The porch is just gorgeous. I can imagine it decorated during Christmas. It would be so pretty. Okay, let's enter this gorgeous house. To the right of this specific house is this home office that is just wonderfully decorated. It's got enough space in it for an armchair and obviously the desk to work on and a chair to sit on. Lovely shelving and some space there potentially for drawers to keep your paperwork. I thought this office was just really well done and really beautiful. Let me know what you think. And this is the main entrance. So when you enter or leave the house, this is what you're looking at. Beautiful windows to the side of the door there, letting in a lot of natural light. And moving on into the lounge. So the lounge is quite spacious. It's got beautiful bay windows and lovely focal place with the fireplace there. And again, the decor is very cozy, very chic, and very light. It's beautiful. It lets in a lot of air. I love this type of sofa covered in, like, I don't know how to describe the fabric, but it's like sheep covered. We've seen this before in a previous home. I'll tag it at the top there, and it was also very beautifully decorated. I love the curtains in here that add so much warmth into the space. Let me know again, guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think of these houses and the decor. And to the dining room. So off the living room, we've got this beautiful dining room that sits 6 people comfortably. And the dining room does have access to the back garden, which is very convenient for those barbecues and summer days. As you approach those summer days there, that would be a great thing to have. And then on to the, what do you call this, the je ne sais quoi of the house. So we've got the kitchen here. Now you have the option to then have a kitchen diner, but instead here they have a little lounge space, which also works really well. It means there's additional seating for the family during those days where you're cooking and you don't want the whole family to be in the lounge with the grown-ups. This could be where the kids are hiding in the kitchen while snacking. Yeah, that's where they will be. This little kitchen has this shape where it's like a U-shaped kitchen. And oh my goodness, I loved the marbles on the walls. The integrated appliances never fail in the new builds. And of course, they are always able to have them as extras. So that's also wonderful. Then we do have the laundry room. The laundry room entails of a spacious laundry room with access to the garden. I love the downlights in here. Oh, yeah, this was a good one to tour. As I mentioned, there's integrated appliances. So there we've got the microwave and the fridge freezer. Just a standard size fridge freezer there. Great for a family house this size. And then we've got electric hob, a single sink, and the garden is just gorgeous. We love to see it. And the decor was not a fail at all. And then we've got these little seats just over that kitchen U shape that gives it that island feeling, you know? Like when you have this, you can entertain very well. Oh yeah, and then we do have the dishwasher there. Again, every time I'm viewing new builds, I am inclined to let you know that some of these things do come at an extra cost. Okay, so moving back into that gorgeous hallway, there is storage in that hallway, by the way. So 2 storages each side of the door, where you can pop your shoes, your hoovers, whatever you like. We're entering the cozy era, the upstairs. I love the paper on this wall. Again, it's a really nice, I don't know, mocha color that gives it a cozy vibe, a warm cozy vibe in the house. So this is the first room we entered. This room has lovely windows looking to the front of the house and another one to the side of the house. So it's a very standard double bedroom, which has enough walking space around it. So it's a very practical room. It's got wardrobes also that are fitted and integrated there, so you don't have to worry about it. What you could add is a little chest of drawer just for practicality. Then again, the decor with the lamps on the wall, giving me ideas on what to do with my empty spaces. This bathroom is very marbly, very clean. I still like that marble trend. I feel like it gives a room a very clean feeling, especially the bathroom. Lovely mirror there. Say hello. Yeah, that's the bathroom there. And then moving on to the next bedroom, another very standard double bedroom, except it's got an ensuite, which is, double points for that. For this room's decor, I love that wooden vibe behind the wall. It's great. Integrated wardrobes again for that practical element of the room. Easy to walk around, easy for a little girl or little boy to then have an ensuite, or a teenager. Just a really good sized bedroom for anybody really. I love the big sized overhead shower, and then you've got a handheld shower there, so you've got a choice, especially if you just got your hair did. You might not want to go full force on the overhead shower, but on a regular day, the overhead shower is the bomb. I love the bedding in here. Again, I love this extra touch. It adds so much coziness to the room. Moving on there into the next room. I love the banister. The banister adds a touch, and it just shows you the sheer size of the house. This room here is sort of a box room. Currently staged as a nursery, a very cute nursery. A very lucky baby could live here. So they've got a chest of drawer there, and it's very well decorated in here. I see a penguin theme, very cute. Gold handles on that chest there, and we've got a little seat for mama when she's nursing. Very cute little nursery, and again, great staging. We love to see the great staging. Let me know what you think about the nursery. Moving on, and then there's a little practical element of the house. We can't avoid them. And then this is the primary bedroom. So the primary bedroom had a little surprise for me, but I will let you wait and see the little surprise. Great windows, great curtains, and that mirror is definitely points for that mirror. Every woman would love that mirror. For the sideboard there, I'd add a chest of drawers just for a little bit of practicality. We need a place to fold some stuff, okay? By the way, this house had the best smelling diffusers on there. I was taking names, and they just flooded the whole house. Points for that. And then we've got, this is the little element of surprise. It's a walk-in closet, guys. Like, how gorgeous is that? Both sides mirrored wardrobes, but then they lead into your ensuite, which is also, a great touch. And we've got the little mirror on the wall there. Great ensuite, all the ensuite stuff, whistles and bells. Great bedroom, leading you back to where we started. And then we've got another bedroom, because this is a 5-bedroom home, guys. It's got rooms, it's got space. Another very practical room to retreat to. We love to see it. The colors are very calming and relaxing, which is just what you need when you retreat to your bedroom. This one doesn't have a fitted wardrobe, but it does have space for a great chest of drawers. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to support by liking and sharing, and I will see you on the next one. Au revoir. Bye bye.